Indian politics has seen many chief ministers so far. And then there is Nitish Kumar, a man who has changed alliances more times than most people change their phones. Yet, someone keeps returning as chief minister of Bihar again and again and again. This is Sasi from File in Media sharing with you the dramatic political journey of Nitish Kumar, a story of power, U-turn, strategy and survival. Nitish Kumar was born in 1951 and began as an engineer turned social activist in the JP movement. He entered politics in the 1980s, became an MLA, then an MP, and later handled big ministries like railways at the national level. But his destiny was Bihar. In March 2000, Nitish Kumar became Chief Minister for the first time, and just 7 days later, he resigned because he couldn't prove majority. It was one of the shortest CM tenures in Indian history. Everyone thought that was the end, but for Nitish, it was only the beginning. 5 years later, in 2005, Nitish Kumar returned, but this time with the NDA. Bihar, tired of lawlessness and stagnation, gave him a mandate for change. He focused on better roads, more electricity, girls' education, and improving law and order. By 2010, he won a massive victory and became the face of a changing Bihar. People call him Sushasan Babu, the man of good governance. Politics is never predictable, right? In 2014, his party performed terribly in the national elections. Nitish resigned, taking moral responsibility. Yet by early 2015, he was back as chief minister, a comeback engineered entirely with his party. Nitish proved he could fall and rise even faster. In 2015, he shocked Bihar by joining hands with his old rival Lalu Prasad Yadav's RJD. Together, they won big. But 2 years later, Nitish walked out of the alliance over corruption issues, crossed the floor, and returned to the BJP-led NDA. A dramatic political U-turn that left everyone stunned. In 2020, he remained CM with the NDA. Then in 2022, he dumped the NDA and returned to the Grand Alliance. But in 2024, he flipped yet again, rejoining the NDA for the third time. These rapid shifts earned him nicknames like Palturam by his political opponents to highlight his frequent changes in the political alliances. But they also proved something else. Nitish is a master of political survival, one of the sharpest strategies in Indian politics. Over nearly 2 decades and 9+ CM terms, Nitish Kumar has become one of India's longest-serving chief ministers. He transformed Bihar's infrastructure, schools, law and order, and governance. He changed alliances repeatedly, and he shaped Bihar's political landscape like no leader before him. So the question is Nitish Kumar an opportunist who switches sides for power, or a brilliant strategist who always stays a step ahead? Love him or criticize him, you cannot ignore him. In the political story of Bihar, no one has written as many chapters as Nitish Kumar. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the File in Media for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting political stories.